Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. If you're dropshipping on eBay, how do you stop yourself getting in trouble by eBay for what eBay call zip code mismatch? Zip code mismatch is when you ship from a different postcode or zip code than the one in your eBay listing. Also, what do you do if your dropship supplier ships from different warehouses? Or if you ship from different locations? In this week's quick video, I'll show you step by step how to make your eBay listings show multiple locations. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling eBay for 24 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. But make sure you stick around to the end of this short video, as there are two parts to this. The first part is, from any page on eBay, go to My eBay and click on Selling Sold, then Listings Active, then click the Edit button next to the listing that you want to show multiple locations. Now scroll down the listing until where it says Item Location and click on the postcode zip code, and note that the postcode zip code is a hyperlink, so it's clickable. Now you'll see a box like this. Now simply add the words multiple location to both the postcode field and the suburb field. Now you'll see eBay has changed the postcode zip code to multiple locations. Next, click the blue reviser button and now your listing should show multiple locations like this one. However, one note though, or the second part, to make this multiple locations work, you must also select the postage rule as flat postage rule. This is again done when you edit or revise any listing on eBay. If you also need more dropship supplies, make sure you watch this video up here, and I'll also put a link on the screen and below to a free list of over 900 dropship suppliers all over the world. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from the comfort of their own home. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.